Final trade of the day time. Pro trader Alan Knuckman joins us now. Well, Alan, you expected the stock market to rebound, and here we are.
Hello, Angie. Stocks snap back. Big surge. Now, earnings season has come to an end, and we've had fantastic fundamentals.
What's your takeaway lesson from the big stock market plunge earlier this year?
Well, that truly is not what's driven the market, but everyone thought it was different this time with this last sell-off and the tariff concerns, but we have to follow price. And we remember many weeks back, I talked about how we had a weekly key reversal bottom where it made new lows and had a higher close on a weekly basis in both the NASDAQ and the S&P. And guess what? We have a big bounce back.
What else?
And follow the price. 55.50 we talked about was a halfway of the drop from the top. Now, every time in market history, until it doesn't, the market that bounced back half of its losses, it wasn't different in COVID. It wasn't different in any other crisis. Every time it gets to that halfway point, it's made new highs, and a full V recovery in the S&P targets 7,500, which is another 10% plus up above.
Tell us about your new trade in the blockchain sector.
All right, let's talk today's trade. I'm looking at Riot. We've seen a big comeback in Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is, 5% or 7% off its all-time forever highs. But the stock Riot is still 40% off its January high. So it's got some catch up to do as we've seen some of these crypto stocks start to climb.
What's your trading strategy on Riot?
It's been trading between 750 and 15 mainly for the last year. So 1250 is an important pivot that we're going to see if we can push up above. We're seeing leverage long accumulation, that smart money flow into the stock. And again, it's about the leverage and the fact that it's still a long ways off its highs, 40% off just its January highs. And so we've also bounced 40% off the lows in just a couple of weeks. The way to play, I'm looking at a September option. September has 3 months of time, 4 months of time actually. 4 months of time, I'm looking at the 7 call. Again, 750 has been kind of that bottom base. The 7 call is $2 in the money, trading for about 3.
Any final thoughts on how to approach the stock market?
A lot of potential, a lot of positives, a big boom in the market, and the fear has waned a bit. So now is time to get some confidence and make some money.
Well said. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.